Hello everyone! In today's video I sketched this mundane little shop that I saw that sells fudge. I initially was unsure if I was going to sketch this or not. I just figured it was quite plain, but something attracted me to it. I think it was maybe the cobbles or the orange sign, and also the fact that when we were kids on vacation in England, there was always some kind of homey fudge shop where we'd always go and pick the fudge that we'd like. So I had planned to buy some fudge and eat it whilst I sketched, but of course the day that I decided to go, it was closed. So where this is located, there was only one bench nearby, and it was opposite, so on the other side of the road, and the bench was turned away from the view that I needed. I did think that would pose a problem, but surprisingly it didn't. I found it actually quite freeing to not have to constantly be looking at the building. And I actually might try to not look so much at the subject in the future. I'll see how that works out, but yeah, it was very freeing to not have it directly in front of me. So going into this, I had planned to include the cobblestone, but I didn't want it to get too bogged down with detail. I still wanted to keep it loose, and I decided to just very faintly outline some grey for the cobblestone. And I decided it wasn't really of that much importance anyway. I don't really have too much to say about this particular sketch. I really enjoyed the day. It was very windy. It was a very nice cool breeze, but it kept blowing the pages up and drying the paper in uneven ways. But it adds to the fun and the spontaneity of the moment. So this was a quick little sketch, and I hope you all enjoy it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section and I will do my best to answer. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!